Let's see how to group images and objects in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to group different pictures or shapes or any other objects within your document, let's first insert them. Now let's go ahead and insert these random shapes. Now, let's say that you have this pattern and you want to group them together so that you can easily copy and paste them following this format. So what you can do is hold Control on your keyboard. Now click on every single one of them. Now right click and you'll see the option to group these objects or these shapes. And once you click that, you can now see that they are one object now and that you can do a lot of things with them. You can move them as a group. For example, you can also copy them and paste as a group. And that is how you group images and objects in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.